Today I'm going to show you how to clean your DF64. This helps in maintaining your grinder for a long time and get those tasty espresso shots coming. First, we're going to remove the bellows and pop open the anti-popcorning device. We are then going to unscrew the grind size indicator and remove that. Once that is out of the way, we will unscrew the grind adjustment dial. Before we remove the top burr, we are going to mark the position of the burr so that we keep the burr aligned. Since this is a single dose grinder, the burr chamber is pretty much clean. But nevertheless, we are going to still give both the top burr and bottom burr a good clean with a brush. We are also going to clean the nozzle. There's too many grounds up there. Once we are done with the cleaning, we can attach the top burr in the same position as before. I'll give one good blow with the bellows. And now we are going to re-screw the adjustment dial. To calibrate it, we switch on the grinder and keep tightening the adjustment dial till we hear the burrs chirp. This is our 0 point, going back and forth to confirm it. Now reattach the indicator and give the popcorning lid a wipe as well. Now you can readjust back to the same grind size and keep enjoying those espresso shots. Thank you for watching this video. Drop a like and comment what should I cover next.